Hello, today I am going to show you my mug collection. So watch and listen. My first mug is this. This mug has a picture of the Union Jack. I like this mug because it is similar, so the same as our channel logo. This is my second mug. It has a lot of pictures on it, a lot of British things. So it has a crown, the royal cipher, the crown jewels, the Union Jack, the Queen's Guard, who guard Buckingham Palace in London, the gates of Buckingham Palace, a corgi, which is the type of dog the Queen owns, a comfy red chair, a red post box like you will see in London, and I think the Queen on a horse. I like this mug. There are a lot of interesting pictures on it. This is my third mug. This is a picture of a tea cake. This is a very popular sweet we eat in Scotland with a cup of tea. Here is my fourth mug. This is another Scottish sweet, a caramel wafer. This is made by the same company who make the tea cakes. These are really tasty. This is my fifth mug. I got this in Spain. I like this because of the design. I think it looks nice and the size. So I use this mug when I am drinking coffee, unlike this mug, which I use when I drink a cup of tea. See the size? Here is my sixth mug. This is also very small. This is for espressos. It also has a plate which you set the mug on top, and you can put biscuits on the plate. Here is my seventh mug. This is nice because it has a lot of pictures of climbing equipment, and I like to climb. So it has a picture of a harness, of a belay device, of a rope, of a bag or rucksack, of climbing shoes, a helmet that is very important to protect your head, and a chalk bag. Here is my 8th mug. Now, this mug is my favourite because it has a picture of my old dog who died. So it is nice to see him on my mug when I have a cup of tea. And finally, my 9th mug. This is a little different because it is a travel mug. So you go outside with this. And it is from Starbucks. And it was bought in Munich, in Germany. And you put tea or coffee inside, and it keeps it warm for a long time. This is good when you are going somewhere and you want to bring a cup of tea or coffee. So that was my mug collection. I hope you found it interesting. And if you want to see more videos like this one, then like and subscribe to our channel, and we will make more. So, thank you for watching and for listening, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!